Now the problem 6 is what? 2 dice are thrown. The events A, B and C are as follows. So A is getting an even number on the first die, B is getting an odd number on the first die, C is getting the sum of the numbers on the dice less than or equal to 5. Describe the events. First is A complement, second not B, third A or B, fourth A and B, fifth A but not C, sixth B or C, seventh B and C, eighth A intersection B complement intersection C complement. Okay, so let us solve this. Solution. What we have to do is, we are given the 2 dice which are thrown, and then events A, B and C are given to us. Okay, we have to find all these events here 1 to 8. So let us first take this, the random experiment which is given to us. 2 dice are thrown, right? 2 dice are thrown. So that means the sample space will be what? You know the sample space. You can get 1 on the first die, 1 on the second die, 1 on the first die, 2 on the second dice, then 1 on the first dice, 3 on the second dice, 1 on the first dice, 4 on the second dice, like this. So 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, right, 2 comma 6, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, okay, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, then 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, then last row will be 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So these are the sample points in the sample space, total 36, right? So now let us look at the event A now. Event A is getting even number on the first die, getting even number on first die, okay, getting an even number. So let us look at the event A. Getting an even number on the first die means you have to take 2 comma 1, right, because 2 is even and there is no condition for the number on the second die. So 2 comma 1 will be there, then 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, then again even number on the first die. So we have to take 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, right, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, then 6 comma 1, right, because 6 is on the first die, even number, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Okay, this is the event A. Now event B is what? Getting an odd number, getting an odd number on first die. Okay, so B will be equal to, so getting odd number, so 1 comma 1 will be there, 1 comma 2 will be there, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, right, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, right, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, right, 5 comma 4, because 5 is odd number on the first die, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. So this is event B. Now event C is given as getting the sum of the numbers on the dice less than or equal to 5. So the sum of the numbers on both the dice will have to be less than or equal to 5. So if you look at the sample space here, so 1 comma 4 will be there because 1 plus 4 is 5, that is equal to 5. Then similarly 1 comma 5 will be there because 1 plus 5 is equal to 6, which is which is less than 5. Okay, so yeah, that this is not correct. Less than 5 means you have to take this 1 comma 1, because 1 plus 1 is 2, which is less than 5. Then 1 comma 2, because 1 plus 2 is 3, which is less than 5, and 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, which is less than 5. So this will be there. 1 comma 4 also will be there because 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, which is equal to 5. Okay, so let us write down. So 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, right, this much. Then similarly we will get what, 2 comma 1, because 2 plus 1 is 3, which is less than 5. Then 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3. Okay, then 3 comma 1, then 3 comma 2, right, then 4 comma 1 will be there. Okay, and 5 comma 1 will not be there because 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 is not less than or equal to 5. Okay, so these many elements will be there in the set C. Now let us find out the set which are given to us here to find. So first one is A complement, right, A complement. So we have to look at the points which are in the sample space and which are outside the set A. Okay, so the set A is all the sample points in which even number is there on the first die. So what will be the complement? So the complement will be simply the numbers, the sample points which contains odd number on the first die. So it will be 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, right, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, okay, 5 comma 6. And if you observe this set, it is nothing but set B, right. Now second, not B we have to find. Okay, not B means simply it is B complement. Okay, so B complement is what? So B set was the set in which the sample point consisted of odd number on the first die. Okay, so the complement will be the sample points in which even number in the first die we get. Okay, so that is nothing but 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, right, then 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, then 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So, if you look at this set, it is nothing but set A. So, B complement or not B, if we take here not B is nothing but set A. Now, let us look at the third. So, third is A or B, okay, A or B. So, in the set notation, what you mean by A or B? It is A union B, correct. So, A union B is nothing but we have to take all the elements of A and all the elements of B. So, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. So, we can write this like this. So, up to 6 comma 1 it is, okay, then 6 comma 2 here and up to 6 comma 5 and 6 comma 6, okay. So, all the elements will be there of the sample space, all the elements of the sample space will be there. So, that means it is equal to sample space. Now, let us look at the fourth one. So, fourth one is A and B, A and B, and you know that A and B means simply A intersection B in set notation. So, this will be equal to, now if you look at A and B sets, these are totally different sets, there is no point common in them, right. So, A intersection B will be empty set, right. So, that is the fourth. Now, fifth one, let us look at the question here. A but not C, A but not C. So, this is nothing but in set notation A, and but in the set notation also means and, okay. So, A and means what? Intersection, and not C means C complement, okay. So, let us find out this A intersection C complement. So, for that we have to first find out C complement. Let us first find out C complement. So, C complement means the sample points which are outside C and which are in the sample space. So, it will be 1 comma 5, okay, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6, then it will also consist of 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, then 3 comma 3, right, outside the set C. So, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6, then 4 comma 2, right, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6, and many more, okay. So, that is 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 1, right, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So, this is the C complement, okay. And if you look at A intersection C complement, so that will be what? So A is nothing but the first die getting even number, right? So A intersection C complement will be 2 comma 4, right? Common point is there, no? 2 comma 4 is the common point between A and C complement. 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, because the first number is even number. You can see first number, that is number on the first die, is even number. So this will be there. Then this 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. So 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. Then 6 comma 1, right? First number is even. 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. So this is A intersection C complement, which is A but not C. Okay, so that is about the fifth question. Now sixth question, B or C. So sixth is what? B or C. So that means B union C, right? So we have to write all the elements of B and all the elements of C. So that means 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Then this 3 comma 1, right? 3 comma 1. Also of the C we have to write. So if you look at C, 2 comma 1 is also there. 2 comma 1, right? Then 2 comma 2 will be there, because these are in this C. 2 comma 3, right? These are in this C. And then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, right? 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Okay, then 4 comma 1 is in C, right? So that also we have to write. Yeah, and then we will get 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, because these are in the set B. 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Okay, so B union C we got. Now let us look at the next question, B and C. So next one is the question number 7, B and C, right? So B and C means, yeah, it is B and C. B and C, that is equal to B intersection C. So points common between B and C. So the points common is this 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, right? Then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Okay, so let us write 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Okay, these are the elements which are common between both B and C. So now let us look at the eighth problem, eighth question. Eighth is A intersection B complement intersection C complement, A intersection B complement, intersection C complement. So instead of finding all this here B complement, we can write what? So A intersection, this is same, right? B complement is A, right? We have found out this in the second question. Not B, that is B complement is A, intersection C complement. So this is equal to, now A intersection A is what? A only, right? Intersection C complement. So this is what we have to find, and that we have already found out here, right? A intersection C complement. Okay, so simply we have to write the set which is there here. This 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, right? 4, 2, then 4, 3, 4, 4, okay, then 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4, 6, then what we have is 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, right? 6, 4, 6, 5, and 6, 6. So this is the set. Okay, so we have solved the problem. So now let us go to the 7th one. Now here what is given is refer to question 6 above, state true or false, give reason for answer. First is A and B are mutually exclusive, second A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, third is A is equal to B complement, fourth A and C are mutually exclusive, fifth A and B complement are mutually exclusive, sixth A complement B complement C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Okay, so solution. So first one, right, A and B are mutually exclusive, they are asking us. So if you look at A intersection B, that is the empty set, we had seen this. So therefore A and B are mutually exclusive. Okay, so this is nothing but true. Okay, let us write it properly here. So true. Okay, this is the reason. Now second one, A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. So answer is true. Why? Because we had seen that earlier A intersection B is empty set, so which means that they are mutually exclusive, and A union B also we had seen it is the whole sample space, right? So that means it is mutually exhaustive. So this means mutually exclusive, and this means exhaustive, right? This we had seen. Now third one is this, A equal to B complement. Okay, so A equal to B complement, they are asking whether it is true. Okay, so this B complement is nothing but A only, right? So this is equal to non-empty set, right? So we can conclude that A and B are okay. So okay, what we have to find? They are asking this. So they are asking whether A is equal to B complement. So if you look at B complement, it is equal to A, right? So this is true. True it is, right? So now let us look at the fourth one. So that is A and C are mutually exclusive, we are asking. That is false, right? That is false because if you look at this, A and C, A intersection C, if you look at the set A is what? This, and C is this, right? So the intersection contains 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 1, right? So intersection contains 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 1. So that means this is not equal to empty set. So therefore A and C are not mutually exclusive. Okay, so that answers the fourth one. Now fifth one, if we look at, then yeah, A and B complement are mutually exclusive, you are asking. So that is also false, because A intersection B complement if we take, then we take A intersection A only, B complement is A, right? So this is equal to A, so which is not equal to empty set, right? So therefore A and B complement are not mutually exclusive, right? Now let us look at the sixth one. So sixth one, A complement B complement C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Okay, they are asking us. So for that, this is false. Let us see why. Because A intersection A complement intersection B complement, if we take, it is B intersection A, right? So which is equal to empty set. That is okay. Now A intersection A complement intersection C will be B intersection C, right? B intersection C, and B intersection C we saw here. It is not empty set. It is not equal to empty set. And if we take B complement intersection C, so that is A intersection C. So A intersection C is also not equal to empty set, right? So therefore see, it should be what? It should be both, right? Mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Now one condition is not satisfying, so this statement which is there, it is false. Okay, so therefore A complement, B complement and C are not mutually exclusive. Okay, and exhaustive. Okay, so because now see, if you look at this, A complement union B complement union C complement, what we will get is B union A union C. So this only gives us the sample space. So union with C will give us the sample space only, right? Okay, so what we can say is, it is not mutually exclusive, but exhaustive. Okay, it is exhaustive, but that will not make the statement true, because both should be satisfied, right? So the statement is false. So this is the solution. So that's it in the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.